Hello, I'm Charles, your AI assistant at Pipdemy Academy. Did you know that traders use different types of charts to spot trends and make smart decisions? If you're new to trading, don't worry. I'll break it down for you in just 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know which chart type works best for you. Let's dive in. Trading charts are like a window into market movements, giving traders a clear view of how prices change over time. Instead of analyzing raw numbers, charts help visualize trends, patterns, and price action, making it easier to identify trading opportunities. But not all charts are the same. Each one tells a different story. Some are simple and easy to read, while others provide detailed insights into market behavior. Choosing the right chart can make a big difference in your trading decisions. If you're looking for a clean and simple way to see price direction, the line chart is your go-to. It connects closing prices over time, making it perfect for long-term trend analysis, but it doesn't show much detail. The bar chart gives you more than just closing prices. It shows the open, high, low, and close, OHLC, for each period, providing a clearer picture of market movements. This makes it easier to spot volatility and price ranges at a glance. If you want a bit more detail without too much clutter, this chart is a great choice. Many traders use it to analyze market trends and reversals, especially when combined with other indicators. Meet the king of trading charts, the Candlestick Chart. It's the most popular because it clearly shows market sentiment using red, bearish, and green, bullish candles to indicate price movement. This visual clarity makes it a favorite among both beginners and professionals. Plus, it helps traders recognize powerful patterns like doji, engulfing, and hammer formations, which can signal potential reversals. By understanding candlestick patterns, traders can predict market moves more effectively and make smarter trading decisions. So, which chart should you use? If you want a simple trend overview, line charts work best. Need more detail? Bar charts are for you, but if you love patterns and market psychology, candlestick charts are your best friend. Some traders even combine them for deeper insights and more accurate predictions. Each chart type has its strengths depending on your trading goals and strategy. Short-term traders often prefer candlestick charts for their detailed price action, while long-term investors might find line charts more useful for spotting overall trends. Experiment with different charts and see which one helps you understand the market best. Mastering chart reading is a key step toward becoming a successful trader. Great job! You've completed this lesson, bringing you one step closer to mastering trading. Remember, learning is a journey, and practice makes progress. Review your notes, test your knowledge, and continue to the next lesson when you're ready. Pipdemy is here to guide you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next course.